Welcome to our updated guide on enabling SMS notifications for posts on your Facebook timeline. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected with your social media activity is crucial, and Facebook's SMS notification feature can help you do just that. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up on your device. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access more options. Now, scroll down the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option, and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories. Look for the Notifications section and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. Within the notification settings, you'll find an option called More Activity About You. Go ahead and tap on this to expand your notification options. Here's the key step. In the expanded menu, you'll see a toggle switch for SMS. Simply flip this switch to the on position. By doing this, you're telling Facebook that you want to receive text message notifications when someone posts on your timeline. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled SMS notifications for posts on your Facebook timeline. Now you'll never miss an update, even when you're away from the app. Remember, you can always come back to this menu to adjust your notification preferences if you find you're receiving too many or too few alerts. Stay connected, stay informed, and enjoy your enhanced Facebook experience with SMS notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.